Number 1.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,400. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a 305 V8 engine, running on gasoline. The truck features a gold exterior paired with a brown interior. Previously owned by an older gentleman, the truck was mainly used for occasional trips to his cabin, suggesting light and careful usage over the years. It is in solid condition overall, with no rust on the frame or body, aside from a small spot on the hood where it meets the grille.
The rockers and cab corners are clean, and the interior has been well kept. This is a turnkey vehicle ready to start, drive, and enjoy. It recently received a new battery, and the air conditioning system is functioning properly, blowing cool air. There are a few minor issues to note. The headliner shows slight sagging, the rearview mirror has come off but is awaiting adhesive for reinstallation. Number 2.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, featuring 153,000 miles on the odometer, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline-powered 350 V8 engine. It comes with a red exterior and a refreshed interior. Over $6,000 has been invested in parts and labor to ensure the truck is dependable and ready to drive anywhere. The transmission has been rebuilt, and the engine has been fully regasketed and thoroughly serviced. The paint was redone approximately 2 years ago, giving the truck a clean and refreshed look. Inside, the bench seat has been newly upholstered and includes an armrest for added comfort.
Additional updates include new LED headlights and new taillights.
The heater and air conditioning systems are both in good working condition. The vehicle has a clean title, which is currently in the owner's name, and registration is valid through November 2026.
Number 3.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. It has 132,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, running on gasoline. The truck features a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior, giving it a bold and cohesive look. This vehicle comes with a clear Texas title and remains largely stock, with the exception of a few tasteful upgrades, including aftermarket wheels, a dual exhaust system, and 2-inch drop shackles for a slightly lowered stance. It is described as enjoyable to drive, especially for casual cruising around town. While the truck is in solid running condition, it is not without its flaws. The paint shows signs of wear, with chipping and fading visible in certain areas. Additionally, the air conditioning system is currently not functioning, although parts to repair it are included.
Number 4.
1990 Dodge D150, price $8,000. The pickup is a well-maintained, driver-quality truck that offers both reliability and classic appeal. Equipped with a 360 fuel-injected engine and an automatic transmission, this 2WD pickup runs and drives exceptionally well, making it suitable for everyday use or long-distance trips. It has accumulated 165,000 miles and remains in great condition, reflecting proper care over the years. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck presents a bold and cohesive look. As a fully loaded model, it comes with a range of features that enhance comfort and convenience. Powered by gasoline, it delivers solid performance while maintaining the rugged charm expected from a classic Dodge truck. Overall, this 1990 Dodge D150 is a very nice, dependable, and enjoyable truck to drive, backed by a clean title and ready to be taken anywhere.
Number 5.
1984 Dodge Ram 50, price $5,800. Well-preserved compact pickup that combines classic design with reliable performance. It is powered by a 2.0L Mitsubishi engine and features a 2WD drivetrain paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a simple and engaging driving experience. This particular unit has traveled 86,300 original miles and remains in overall beautiful condition. Finished in a blue exterior with a gray interior and running on gasoline, the truck starts easily and performs well in all weather conditions, including colder temperatures. It comes with a clean title in hand and has recently received maintenance updates such as a new alternator and carrier bearing. While it runs great, it does require a new valve cover gasket and a replacement for the interior driver's side door handle. There are also minor cosmetic imperfections, including small tears on the dashboard and seat, as well as a small ding on the tailgate.
Number 6.
2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has traveled approximately 200,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a striking red exterior paired with a clean black interior, both of which have been kept in good condition considering its age. This vehicle is powered by a V6 engine and is completely free of rust, which is a notable advantage for a truck of this year.
It offers reliable comfort with fully functioning air conditioning that blows cold air and a heating system that works effectively. All components of the truck are reported to be in proper working order, and there are no check engine warning lights present. Overall, this 2001 Chevrolet 1500 stands out as a solid, well-kept truck with a clean interior, attractive paint, and dependable performance.
Number 7.
1997 Ford F150, price $6,500, well-maintained pickup with 192,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a reliable gasoline-powered 4.6 L2 valve engine. It features a tan exterior with a blue interior. The truck has received extensive recent maintenance, including professionally serviced cylinder heads, along with new plugs, wires, coils, alternator, battery, radiator, water pump, belts, and fresh fluids. The 4WD system has been serviced and converted to a cable shift for improved reliability. Additional features include newer tires, a bull bar, LED light bar, running boards, bed liner with cover, trailer package, JVC stereo, and Bilstein shocks. The AC has new components but needs a recharge and an O-ring replacement.
Number 8.
1985 Chevrolet C20, price $7,500. The pickup is presented as a classic 1980s truck that combines vintage appeal with solid performance. This vehicle has 96,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a V8 engine, and a 400 turbo transmission, delivering a reliable and smooth driving experience. Finished in a red exterior with a black interior, it maintains a timeless and eye-catching look. It runs and drives quite well, reflecting proper upkeep over the years. The truck remains notably straight and clean for its age, with only minimal signs of rust. Overall, it stands as a well-preserved example of an older pickup, ready to be driven and enjoyed.
Number 9.
1993 Chevrolet S10, price $4,500, presented as a classic compact pickup with a distinctive character. It features a manual transmission and runs on gasoline, finished in a red exterior paired with a gray interior. The truck showcases a nice natural patina, adding to its vintage appeal. Powered by a reliable 2.5 L four-cylinder Iron Duke engine and paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox, it has approximately 99,000 miles on the odometer. This S10 maintains its original simplicity, equipped with manual windows, manual door locks, and manual steering, along with its original bench seat and factory radio. For a more aggressive stance and improved look, the truck has been lowered with a 5/6 drop using spindles, springs, leaf springs, and blocks, giving it a clean and classic lowered profile.
Number 10.
1999 Ford F150, price $3,900, featuring a V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has traveled 256,000 miles and comes in a blue exterior finish. It is equipped with a King Ranch interior, adding a more premium feel to the cabin. This stepside pickup remains a solid and reliable vehicle, although the exterior paint is not in the best condition. It has been lowered with a 3/4 drop, giving it a more aggressive stance. The transmission was rebuilt approximately 3 months ago, ensuring improved performance and reliability. Additionally, the truck has been upgraded with new LED tail lights, enhancing both visibility and appearance.